afternoon, fellow panelists, distinguished members from the industry. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer of eBihar because I really required it. BBNL is a new company doing the infrastructure development for the Digital India mission, and this was an opportunity to get interacted with all of you. So we will start with NOFN, National Optical Fiber Network. Government of India in 2011 decided to connect all 250,000 village panchayats of this country through optical fiber, and I tell you, this is very ambitious project, not achieved by even developed nations till today. So if we are able to achieve, really again like Mangal Grah mission, this will be again number one for our country, and work has already started. So to achieve this connecting 250,000 village panchayats, a special purpose vehicle in the name of Bharat Broadband Network Limited was formed by Government of India. It is a Government of India PSU. After its formation, it has been given the NLDO and ISP category A license, but main activity is connecting all 250,000 villages through optical fiber, so that every village gets very high speed bandwidth. So this is mission part, and mission itself says to provide high speed broadband connectivity to all gram panchayats by extending the existing fiber. See, whatever infrastructure we already have, that is also going to be utilized, and laying whatever further required. So on an average 2.5 to 3 kilometer new optical fiber has to be laid for each village panchayat. So you can understand the total volume of laying is more than 10 lakh kilometer of optical fiber for connecting all these 250,000 village panchayat. And most important part is this network is going to be used in non-discriminatory manner. So all business, all service provider, any individual, any enterprise, they will be using this network. It will be totally non-discriminatory. Now you can see district up to block level, already we have many service provider, telecom service provider or ISPs, their network. Missing link is from block to gram panchayat. So this missing link from block to gram panchayat, this is being covered by this NOFN, Bharat Broadband Network Limited is the company executing this. Beyond panchayat again, service will be provided by existing service provider, telecom service provider or ISPs, but this missing link will be completed with this, our access. Optical fiber access will reach up to villages, which we have been talking in earlier discussions, that unless all villages they get developed, country cannot develop. So now all the things, any application can run on this. This will have high bandwidth, so application will not suffer any limitation of bandwidth. This is again further elaboration. Up to district you can see there are TSPs, ISPs already available, and block level we will have our presence in the form of OLTs. Beyond that, at village level, gram panchayat level, there will be ONTs. ONT will be the fiber termination point, and beyond that services can be extended. Technology used will be GPON technology. Main components are OLT, ONT, ONUs. Point to multi-point, this works in broadcast mode, point to multi-point, and uses unpowered optical splitters on the way. That's why it becomes very cheap compared to other technology. 3 government PSUs have been assigned with the executing work. Railtel, Power Grid, both each 15% share, and BSNL has a major share. 70% of execution all over the country is with BSNL. Bihar also comes under BSNL execution. This is a plan for phase 1. You can see total 3018 blocks covering 1,03,000 gram panchayat is planned to be covered in phase 1, that is up to March 31st. Out of that, Bihar, we have 315 blocks covering 5,202 gram panchayats in phase 1. You would be interested to know the progress. So here we can see work has started in 121 blocks covering some nearly 2,000 gram panchayats. 2260 kilometers of pipe and 1500 kilometers of OFC laying is already done. Work order is issued for 160 blocks and tenders finalized for 226 blocks, which will cover 3,357 gram panchayats. So in this progress, as on date, we are at number 3 all over the country, number 1 in eastern region, and overall country-wise, Bihar is at number 3 in terms of NOFN progress. There have been challenges because such a big project suddenly coming, so availability of pipe, supply of GPON equipment, space and power at Gram Panchayat level, safety of equipments, these are some of the challenges where some of the challenges we need active support of a state government which can help us, and these are the rules where a state government can be very helpful. Rather we can say without their help we cannot go ahead. Arrangement of a space and power supply at GP level, appointment of custodiancy, this network will be laid. But how it will be used, who will use, end equipment to use it, computer, scanners, printers, operators, all those things state government has to arrange. They have to identify the services they want to extend at the village level. Then availability of trained manpower, this has potential to generate a lot of employment, not only e-governance and e-commerce, other things, lot of employment will be generated, and that's why active support of a state government is required. And that's why at the end I request, let us all of us work together for successful and time-bound implementation of this project, which is going to really change the face of rural India and make us number 1. Thank you.